Today we are at IKEA Alexandra Road right here in Singapore, COVID time, so you can see the setup, all the barricades where you got a queue when the store gets too busy. We got here early 10 AM on a Saturday morning, so we could go right in because the store wasn't full yet and there was still car parking. This place has a cafe which was super full and I had no chance to take video of it, but never mind, we're going up, safe entry, get in, and voila, time to walk around IKEA right here in Singapore. Yes, IKEA I think look similar all over the world, so if you're watching this from Sweden, from New York, from Malaysia, from Antarctica, it probably looks the same if you've ever been to an IKEA before, except in Singapore. It focuses on small rooms, small apartments, because our houses and flats are pretty small. You're not looking at big houses in Singapore usually. Most of us live in pretty small apartments. So you need to economize on space and get good stuff like chairs and tables and rooms. Yes, IKEA safe distancing in Singapore. We got to do our part to fight COVID, right? Wear a mask. Yeah, wear a mask. Come on, wear a mask. Good for you. Yeah, so we were all in masks. This is a small room. Yeah, looking for some shelves today. We ended up getting the Hyllis and the Lerberg, which I will show you in the other videos. You can see the link below where we go home and set up the Hyllis and the Lerberg. Well, we'll just show you some pictures of people walking around IKEA without exception. Everybody gotta be in a mask. Well, Lerberg, we got this one, Lerberg, $29. Lerberg, we got two actually, $29. Yes, and what else do we see? Yeah, plenty of stuff. This is dining tables and chairs. As we walk around, dining tables and chairs. Pretty good place to just check out what's on offer. Well, most things are not really on offer, but in the next next life I'll be a chef, they say, because they want to show you a very small compact kitchen, really small and compact. And this one chest of 6 drawers, pretty cool. $169 though. Instead of a messed up drawer like that, you can very nicely pack everything up. Nice drawers. Yes, IKEA right here, Alexandra Road. So we come to the just before the checkout where you can find some of these pre-packed stuff where you can bring home to assemble yourself. We found the Lerberg, but we couldn't find a Hyllis, so we asked the guy and he told us to go to the activity center, which we found it later on. Checkout counters were not full. We managed to pay and get out very quickly. At activity hall, yes, that's where we found Hyllis. And after that, put the stuff in the car and cross the road to Anchor Point, which is another mall, and opposite we got to the food court over there to get some lunch. Yummy food, mee pok ta. Bye bye.